Discover the exciting world of learning and creativity with COOLJOYA magnetic blocks. This 150-piece set features sturdy magnetic blocks with themes of dark magma and grassland, perfect for building impressive structures while exploring magnetism and engineering concepts. Made from high-quality, safe materials with smooth edges, these blocks encourage family bonding and imaginative play. Whether creating a magma cave or a lush cottage, kids develop their spatial skills and self-expression. It's an ideal gift for any occasion that combines fun and education. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the TOSY Magnet Pyramid, the ultimate creative and relaxing toy featuring 1 billion shapes with 243 magnets. Its safe, high-quality plastic design has beautiful holographic stickers and includes a spinner accessory for endless transformations. Build impressive structures, stimulate your brain, relieve stress, and boost creativity. Perfect for kids aged 6 and older, teenagers and adults, whether alone or with friends, family, the possibilities are endless. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Coodoo magnetic tiles, the perfect starter set to spark your child's creativity and STEM skills. With 40 colorful, rainbow-shaped tiles made from safe, durable food-grade plastic, kids can build fantastic structures while learning about patterns and magnetic principles. The standardized size makes it easy to expand with other brands. These open-ended toys grow with your child, promoting sensory play, problem-solving, and imagination. They're easy to store with a handy bag. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the ASTARON magnetic puzzle, a delightful and educational magnetic game designed for young children. This portable tin box includes 32 colorful magnetic puzzles and 5 reference cards, allowing kids to recreate popular facial expressions or mix and match magnets for fun, quirky combinations. Made from safe, eco-friendly materials with sturdy magnets and rounded edges, it's perfect for travel and quiet play. Help you develop coordination, concentration, and imagination while having lots of fun. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the HONBQYCC magnetic balls, the perfect creative fidget toy to boost focus and relieve stress. Featuring textured silicone surfaces with a central magnet, these silent, colorful balls offer satisfying tactile feedback for endless fun. Made from high-quality food-grade silicone and safety certified, they are durable, skin-friendly, and easy to carry. Whether at work, school, or on the go, enjoy quiet play anytime. You'll find the purchase in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the joys of learning with COOLJOY Magnetic Fishing, a fantastic Montessori toy designed for children aged 2 to 4. This colorful set includes 12 magnetic fish, 7 bees, 2 wooden fishing rods, and a pair of tweezers, offering both a captivating fishing game and a fun bee sorting activity. Perfect for developing fine motor skills and color recognition, is made with safe, eco-friendly materials. Whether indoors or outdoors, it guarantees hours of education and entertainment. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the COOLJOY magnetic puzzle, a delightful wooden magnetic set designed to spark your child's creativity and imagination. With over 100 cute magnetic pieces, children can create more than 80 adorable animal story combinations. The large, sturdy magnetic board doubles as a drawing surface, making it perfect for travel, family activities, or classroom fun. Crafted from high-quality, child-safe wood, this versatile puzzle promotes learning, cooperation, and endless entertainment. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.